Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, after completing second chapter in snapshots, today I am going to teach you the second chapter of Hornbill book, or it is very important. Dear students, the name of chapter is We Are Not Afraid to Die. If we can be all together. The title of the story is very interesting, or it is giving a moral to us, that if we are unite, so we can overcome all the hurdles and all the obstacles of life, because unity gives us strength, dear students. Or through unity we can conquer all the battles of life and all the obstacles of our life. How this title is suitable for this chapter we will discuss today. Actually the title We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can Be All Together, this particular title or lesson has been written by Gordon Cook and Ellen East. They were the renowned English writers, or have written many stories, many novels. This particular lesson is about one of the person whose dream is to complete a sea journey, or whose plan was to cover different portions of the earth through sea journey, or he wanted to complete a long sea journey as Captain James Cook had done 200 years ago. So the main dream of narrator is to complete a voyage or a sea journey in such way as Captain James Cook had done before 200 years. He wanted to see different places, he wanted to cover different places of the earth through that sea journey. Or it took many years, almost 16 years time to complete that plan, to implement that plan. Or for that many preparations were done, many things were done. Even they were trained under the expert, the narrator of the lesson. The narrator of the lesson whose dream was to complete that sea journey like Mr. James Cook, as he had completed before 200 years, he wanted to complete the journey in the same way. Or that narrator was 37 years old businessman. Or as I have told you that it took many years to come in action, to complete that plan. Or for that, dear students, he, under the guidance and supervision of many experts, one boat was prepared, or the name of boat of that ship was Wave Walker. See, or it also took many years. Or when his plan was completed, that, or he has given the name of that boat is Wave Walker. Or when that particular ship or boat was completed, boat was ready, so he decided to start the journey. But one thing I want to tell you, dear students, it was not completed in a day. It took many years. Or after many years plan, finally he, means the narrator of the lesson, 37 years old businessman, now he came in the position to start his journey, or that was 2,55,000 kilometers. The journey was 2,55,000 kilometers, dear students, that sea journey. Or the journey was not of 1 month, it was of many years. But as Mr. Narrator and his wife Mary both have dreamed to do that, so for that they were ready. They prepared that boat also. They were trained under the guidance of expert. Or when they knew that they are comfortable or they can start their journey, so they decided to start it. Dear students, they started their journey from Plymouth, England in July 1976. In July 1976, they started their journey. Or who were in their team? The narrator himself, one. Second, his wife. He kept his wife also with him. Second person. Third, his 6-year son Jonathan. Fourth, Suzanne, his 7 years daughter. So first member, narrator. Second member, Mary, his wife. Third member, Jonathan, narrator, 6 years old son, and Suzanne, 7 years old daughter of Mr. Narrator. Or I want to tell you, dear students, कि in their journey, two more important persons are here, or they are the crewmen. One is Mr. Larry Bizzle, an American fellow. Or second one is Herb Segler, who is a Swiss of Switzerland. So you may say that narrator in his journey, he took 6 members: himself, his wife, his son, his daughter, and with other 2 crew members. Or that journey he started from Plymouth, England in July 1976. I want to tell you, the first part of narrator and his team members' journey was very, very good. They passed the first part of their journey, and the distance was 1,05,000 kilometers very pleasantly. They started their journey with this Wave Walker from Plymouth, England in 1976 with these 6 members, these 5 members, and including writer 6. Understood? Or they were Mary was the wife of narrator, Jonathan and Suzanne, son and daughter, and they are the outsider, and they were the crewmen and crew members, and Larry Wiesel, an American, and Mr. Herb Segler, a Swiss. So with these members, the narrator started his journey with this boat named Wavewalker. Or I want to tell you that the first part of their journey was very, very good. The journey, first part of journey, distance 1500 kilometers, passed very pleasantly. Or they sailed down the west coast of South Africa to Cape Town. Dear students, or there the two members, Mr. Larry Wiesel and others, they joined him. Or finally he was moving towards his objective. Every day the weather was fine, all the conditions were favorable, or all the crew members and even his family members and all his team members, they were very, very happy, they were enjoying. Dear students, but when they reached to Cape Town, dear students, they faced extremely a strong wind. When their boat reached to that Cape Town, at that time, and it was near Christmas, so they faced strong winds. But anyhow, these narrator with his team members, with his crew members, he celebrated Christmas, means 25th December. Or here is given, or at that time they were 3,500 kilometers away from Cape Town on 25th December 1976. Started journey in July. Or now they were at Cape Town, or when that strong wind came, the narrator was 3,500 kilometers away from Cape Town. But anyhow, he enjoyed Christmas. Or after enjoying Christmas, he was waiting that weather will be better, condition will be better, or ultimately he celebrated New Year also, 1st January 1977. He celebrated New Year in the same adverse situation, in the same weather condition. Who? The narrator of the lesson. Or he was thinking that the situation will be over in few days, situation will be finished in few days, or now the weather will be fine. But the narrator was not knowing that strong wind was not only adverse for him, more than that problematic situation the narrator was going to face. Or after 1st January 1977, dear students, the weather was completely changed. Narrator had never expected to face such adverse and such challenging situation in his life. He had never expected. He was thinking that the situation which was from Christmas to that New Year, after that the condition will be better or weather will be fine. But more serious situation came. More challenging situation came, and now they were surrounded by the dark clouds. Narrator at once understood that they were going to face more risky situation, more challenging situation, or very soon he found that the sea waves started raising very high. Strong sea waves. Due to the change in weather, the sea waves started raising very high, or they were as high as the mast of his boat. On 2nd January, he found himself, he was caught in a very problematic situation. He was surrounded by the strong, powerful waves of the sea. The sea waves were lashing, striking to the boat. And now the situation became more dangerous. It damaged the front of the ship, front of the boat. The narrator was trying to control the situation. But unfortunately, dear students, I want to tell you that the narrator's head was smashed with that wheel by that he was controlling. There was a severe injury in his head. Blood started coming out. And weather was very, very challenging. Narrator was totally in pressure. All other crew members were panicked and frightened. And once the wave came, and definitely he was thrown into the sea. The wave thrown him into the sea. Narrator found they were ready with their life-saving jacket. The narrator estimated in his mind his death, his end was very near. But after some time, dear students, it is on 2nd January. But after some time, dear students, he found the same waves. They had thrown him on the ship, or this time he was badly injured. His left rib, that collar bones, that it was also cracked, and his mouth was filled with blood. Many teeth were broken. The condition was becoming more severe, more serious. Waves were showing their more dangerous face form. And now the ship was filled with water, that boat. Writer thought that their ship will sink very soon in the sea. Even his wife, she came and she called. She shouted that they were going to sink. But the narrator helped them, supported her, or ordered her, advised her to control that wheel. The crew members, Larry Wiesel and Herb Segler, they were also busy at water pump to take out the water from the boat so that it will not be sunk in the sea. They were also working continuously. After some time, the pump stopped working. And in this situation, dear students, or the particular boat, Wavewalker, was shaking in different ways. They took all the precautions to save their life. But it was not effective. I want to tell you, even dear students, his daughter was also badly injured. There was a injury in her head. Understood? But see the courageous nature of this girl, these boys and this boy and girl, son and daughter, that they did not show their fear in front of their father, Mr. Narrator, though they were in pain, though the Suzanne was in pain. Understood? A big bump was seen, dear students, but she did not show her pain. Father was trying to save himself as well as her team members, and wife was also busy at wheel. Crew members were continuously working on pump to take out the water, and they were also supporting. Narrator was also badly injured. Injury in his suppose head, injury in his mouth. Many teeth were broken. Mouth was filled with blood. That collar bones was also broken. Ship was almost damaged. He was trying to repair in that condition. Or this situation continued 2nd January, 3rd January, 4th January and 5th and 6th January for 4-5 days. Or many situation came when they suppose almost going to die. They left the hope of life. All the members were frightened and panicked. But in that adverse and opposite situation, the narrator was trying to save himself as well as his crew members. And after many days effort, finally the weather became not, you can say, normal, but better than before. Or when weather became better, and dear students, or the writer was continuously repairing the damage, or with the help of that map and other things, they calculated. Or finally, dear student, he found that it was not possible for the narrator to reach Australia. They searched the nearest destination, and that was Amsterdam Island. Amsterdam Island was 100 kilometers away, 200 kilometers away from that place where they were caught in. Or finally they moved towards that situation. Or he gave order to his wife and to his crew members to turn the boat at 180 degrees. Because at that time electronic devices were not available. So the particular ship Wave Walker was turned at 180 degrees. Or finally, dear students, they reached to that place, Amsterdam Island. Narrator even not eaten for many days, badly injured. Wife was also frightened. Daughter was also injured. Understood? But in that adverse situation, dear students, the daughter, his wife, his son and the crew members, they supported him. They gave him moral and mental support. Or with their unite effort, they were able to overcome that obstacle. Or finally they got victory. So his son has written one letter to him, and in that he has written, "Ki Papa, we are not afraid to die. If we can be all together." So means they got victory over that situation because of their unity, because of their unite effort. So this is all about this chapter, dear students. Line by line I will teach you in next video. Thank you.